Here we are in post-Helene and post-Milton, Florida, and thoughts and prayers certainly go out to all of those dealing with devastating impact, regardless of where you are, Georgia, North Carolina, and Western Florida, across the state. We are lucky in my part of Florida that we don't have a whole lot to deal with at this moment, but a couple of thoughts come to mind that homeowners everywhere really need to be thinking about in order to make sure that you have the best protection. First of all, check your insurance policy for the impact of flooding for any reason. If you have a water main break in the street and your home is flooded from that, if you have a pipe burst and you have a flood, or if you have a sewage backup into your home, are you covered? Sometimes standard policies will not cover those things, and it requires a supplemental flood insurance policy to get the proper coverage you need. FEMA doesn't always cover all expenses, and as we all know right now, they can be very slow in taking action. So I encourage you on a regular basis to review your insurance policy and make sure that you have all the coverage you could need. Usually, if you are not in a flood zone, most people are typically not likely to get additional flood insurance, but if you did, it would not be very costly, and you might be surprised at the level of protection it affords you on top of your regular hazard policy. So great idea to take a look at that, especially right now. Number two, if you own a condo, it's always a good idea to stay on top of the type of insurance that your association has been maintaining for the development. You pay your dues in order to have your HOA obtain a master insurance policy for the entire development. Well, sometimes condo associations run out of money, or they start cutting back on expenses. And in one case in particular, I have recently discovered there is a development here in town that only has a cash replacement, cash value coverage on their roof, and not a replacement value coverage on their roof, which basically means those condos individually are not fundable, not with a mortgage. They can only be purchased by cash right now. If you are a homeowner and you live in a condo association, you need to stay on top of your HOA just to protect your asset that you've invested your money in. So couple things to think about. Friday, mid-October, and always here to help if you have any further questions. I'm Ann Wright, Right Choice Group, Keller Williams Realty, Atlantic Beach, Florida. Have a great day.